Hey, Jake with B&H. Today we're taking a look at Rycote's first ever shotgun mics, the HC-15 and the HC-22, as well as their Nano Shield microphone windshield kit. Now, Rycote has been making professional sound equipment for over 50 years, specializing in shock and wind protection, and these three new products from Rycote all speak to that focus. So if you're a professional looking for broadcast quality sound to be used for cinema, TV, sound design, live broadcast, or studio and field recordings, these microphones and windshield could be exactly what you're looking for, so let's roll. Let's start with the mics. The HC-15 and the HC-22 are both shotgun mics with a frequency range of 50 Hz to 20 kHz and can handle sound sources at volumes up to 133 dB. So the specs on these two mics are almost identical across the board. The mic's highly directional hypercardioid pickup patterns do an excellent job at recording solely what they're focused on while rejecting a majority of the sound to the sides and behind. But the HC-22's longer interference tube gives it a tighter, more focused pickup pattern than the shorter HC-15. But the smaller and lighter HC-15 is a better fit for on-camera mounting and for using on sets with low ceilings or my apartment. Rycote describes their mics as precise, and we're inclined to agree. At appropriate recording distances, both the HC-15 and the HC-22 sound crisp and accurate and are well suited for the professional applications they've been designed for. You're actually listening to the HC-22 right now. Both mics come in a minimalist but sturdy box with no other accessories, and both connect via an XLR input with 48-volt phantom power required to fully power them. However, both mics can also run on 24 volts, albeit with a lowered sound pressure capability. Of course, if you're using these out in the field, you'll have to take wind noise into account, but thankfully Rycote has also made the Nano Shield Windshield kit. The Nano Shield offers an enhanced level of wind protection paired with an improved acoustic transparency compared to a standard modular windshield kit. It's also smaller and substantially lighter. Rycote offers Nano Shield kits in a variety of sizes, and the unique magnetic locking basket design can be configured to fit various microphone sizes by simply swapping out the basket halves. Each size of the basket half can interlock with the other size, allowing you to get exactly the right size for whatever mic you're using. They also have two manual locking sliders to hold everything together securely and noise-free. This means you can quickly and easily access your mics by simply pulling the halves apart. For the Rycote mics, the NS2CA model fits the HC-15, while the larger NS4DB is sized for the HC-22. Okay, we're outside now here at Hudson Yards on the west side of Midtown Manhattan. We're testing out Rycote's HC-15. We're taking advantage of the cold shoe mount that it comes with, attaching it to our Canon C70, running an XLR out of it into the mini XLR input on the Canon C70. Pretty windy out here. We're also using the windshield on top of the HC-15 to protect it from wind noise, because here on the west side near the river gets pretty windy. A perfect way to test out the HC-15. Let me know what you think of the sound in the comments below. Okay, right now you're hearing my voice through the Rycote HC-22 shotgun microphone, but I have the Nano Shield protection around it as well to help cut out all the wind noise, and it's doing a tremendous job right now because here on the west side of Midtown Manhattan it gets pretty darn windy, but this is making my voice sound really, really good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This is what my voice sounds like with the Nano Shield. And this is what my voice sounds like with no Nano Shield. This is what my voice sounds like with the Nano Shield. And this is what my voice sounds like with no Nano Shield. This is what my voice sounds like with the Nano Shield. And this is what my voice sounds like with no Nano Shield. Both the HC-15 and the HC-22 offer audio pros the build and sound quality necessary for professional applications in both the studio and the field. And the Nano Shield ensures that high-quality audio is captured with the best fidelity possible. Together, these products offer a complete microphone solution for anyone looking to step up their audio game, whether it's broadcast, sound design, television, or any other type of video production. But what do you think of the new Rycote shotgun mics? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.